मुरगांव पालिकेन बायणा दर्यावेळेर 7 दिसांचो बायणा बीच समर फेस्टिवल दवरला। 29 एप्रिलाक सुरू जावपा आशिल्लो हो महोत्सव 5 मे मेरेन चलतलो। नाच, ऑर्केस्ट्रा, आफ्रिकन एक्रोबॅट्स, बँड, बीच फुटबॉल, जादूचे प्रयोग आनी हेर कितल्योश्योच कार्यावळी महोत्सवात जावपाच्यो आसात। वास्कोचो आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेदान ही म्हायती दिली।
We have different programs for like orchestra, musical show, community musical show. There's going to be a sand sculpture, so we're trying to get a big artist from out of Goa, and then we'll be having different competitions like dance competitions. Then the Syndicates band also are going to perform here. Syndicates band, that's one of the famous bands of Goa and even India. And then off stage we'll be having a lot of functions. Off stage means we'll be having this beach volleyball, we'll be having football, like beach football. Fourth evening, the Chief Minister of Goa will be coming here as chief guest, and we'll be laying the foundation stone for the first phase Baina beach beautification. I'm taking up this beach beautification. We means Milind Naik and myself, we are both doing it up. We are going for total landscaping till there. We are going to have changing rooms, bathrooms for people when they come after bath. There'll be changing rooms here up just below that, and then like even some place for shacks will be is going to be kept, and then we are going to make steps. Like these are viewing galleries for people to view the beach.
कोकण रेल्वेन काणकोणा लोलया नवें स्टेशन बांदलां। फुडल्या 2-3 म्हयन्यां भितर रेल्वे स्टेशन चालू जावपाचें आसा। हे स्टेशन बांदतना व्हडा प्रमाणांत मातयेची भर घाल्या। पावसांत ही माती रस्त्यार येवन रस्तो बंद जावपाचो भंय थंयचे लोक उक्तायतात। पळयात बबेश बोरकाराचो रिपोर्ट।
स्टेशन निश्चितच लोलयेच्या लोकां खातीर फायद्याचें जातलें, पूण त्याच बरोबर एक गजाल लक्षांत घेवप गरजेची की ह्या माती सकयल देंवपाच्या प्रश्नाचेर जर वेळीच जर उपाय जालो ना जाल्यार पावसाळ्यान कदाचित स्टेशन सकयल देंवपाक शकता आनी गांवच्या लोकांक तेजो त्रास जावपाक शकता। त्या दृश्टीन थोडोसो रेल्वेन ह्या गोष्टींचो विचार करप म्हाका दिसता गरजेचो आसा।
तर आज आमी उबे आसात लोलये स्टेशना कडेन, जे नवीनच तेजें उद्घाटन जावपाचें आसा। रेल्वेच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी अशी म्हायती दिल्या की येत्या 2 म्हयन्यांच्या पयलीं हें रेल्वे स्टेशन चालू जातलें, पूण पावसाचे दीस आसा आमी जी पळयला की माती हांगा जे घातिल्ली आसा रस्त्या सायडीच्यान हो भराव घातिल्लो मातयेचो, थळाव्या लोकांच्या म्हणण्या प्रमाणे माती आतां समज एक 15-20 दिसांनी किंवा 1 म्हयन्यान जर पावस येयलो ही माती सगळी वचोन रस्त्यार पडटली अशी थळाव्या लोकांचे कागाळे आसा। आनीक जेन्ना पयर एक 15-20 दिसां पयलीं थोडोसो पावस पडिल्लो तेन्नाच कांय प्रमाणात रस्त्यार माती येवन पडिल्ली अशेंय ते म्हणटात। जर तर आतां मोठो पावस येयलो आनी माती पडली जाल्यार टोटल रोड ब्लॉक जातलो अशी तेंची कागाळी आसात। बेगोबेग हे रेल्वेच्या अधिकाऱ्यांनी जर कितें तरी उपाय काडचो अशी ह्या सगळ्या लोकांची मागणी आसा।
साळगांवकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान आपले खेळगडे आनी तांच्या पगाराचेर धोरण स्पश्ट केलां। एखाद्या खेळगड्याक धरून दवरपाक जाय म्हणून तो मागता तो पगार दिवचे ना अशें कोच करीम बेंचरीफान स्पश्ट केलां। सध्या जापनीज एटेकर रुजी सियोका आनी नायजेरियन स्ट्रायकर एदे चिडीक हेर क्लबा कडच्यान मागणी वाडटा म्हणपाच्यो खबरो पातळिल्ल्यान ते साळगांवकरा कडेन उरतले काय ना म्हणपा विशीं सध्या निश्चित कांयच सांगूं नजो।
In fact, Soika jokingly today come and shake my hand and say, "What a match!" And I say, "Coach, you don't need me." That's what he said. That's his word.
But he is staying with Southampton next season.
Huh?
He is.
I have no idea. I have no idea. His contract is ending now, this season. We didn't confirm him yet. Depend on him also.
But of course, it would be safe to say that you would like him to be there.
Yeah, I mean, it's good to keep a continuity, but sometimes we have. Let's not forget the way the salaries of the players are going. It is crazy, and for us as Salgauka, we really the players that we believe in is because we could not hold on them because their budget is very high. Exactly. There is a lot of players, it's like we recycle. If you remember Kelemba, for example, Kelemba Tomba, they're on an end of contract, and they come on a very, very logical budget. And now they are wanted. How to stop that? And we just have to move on. I'm okay with that. I agree. I mean, the club. I'm working with the club, and I have to look at the club interest. The club have a certain budget, which is a big constraint. They're not that we cannot afford to give awards. In fact, I can inform you that local players this year only 3 was over 30 lakhs, and next year maybe only 1. So that's where we're working on. If you
What about confirmation of CDLA?
Not sure. We are discussing. Let's see. There are a lot of question marks.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान खबराचित्र हांगाच सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.